Welcome to Auto Specs, your go-to channel for detailed, passionate reviews of cars, bikes, yachts, and more. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Kia K4 GT line, the non-turbo version of Kia's bold new compact sedan that replaces the Forte. With striking looks, a tech-heavy cabin, and a budget-friendly price, this car aims to challenge the Honda Civic and Toyota Corolla. Let's explore what makes this sedan a standout in the compact class. The 2025 Kia K4 GT line is a fresh face in the compact sedan segment, bringing a sleek fastback design that draws inspiration from Kia's sporty Stinger and futuristic EV9 SUV. Its exterior is a head-turner, with a long, low-profile, vertical LED headlights connected by a light bar, and a narrow grille that gives it a modern, aggressive stance. The GT line trim adds sporty touches like 18-inch black alloy wheels, a body kit, and hidden rear door handles near the C-pillar, creating a coupe-like silhouette. Available in 8 colors, including the vibrant honeydew green for $600 extra, the K4 stands out against the more conventional Honda Civic or Toyota Corolla. Auto Specs notes that its 185.4-inch length and 72.8-inch width make it slightly larger than the Forte, offering a wider, more planted look. However, the low, sloping roofline can make entry and exit tricky, especially for taller passengers. Inside, the K4 GT line feels like a step above its price point, starting at $26,345 including destination. The cabin features a panoramic display with two 12.3-inch screens, one for the digital gauge cluster and one for infotainment, split by a 5-inch climate control screen, creating a sleek, high-tech vibe. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a wireless phone charger are standard, while the GT line adds heated front seats, a power driver's seat, and an optional $2,000 premium package with ventilated seats and a Harman Kardon audio system. The Syntex two-tone seats in black with white accents are supportive and stylish, with soft-touch materials on the dash and doors, though some lower trims use harder plastics. Auto Specs appreciates the roomy interior, boasting class-leading 38.0 inches of rear legroom, surpassing the Corolla's 34.8 inches, and a 14.6 cubic foot trunk, though it lacks storage nets or cubbies. The rear seat is spacious, but the low roofline can be a challenge for taller passengers, and the front seatback's plastic finish may scratch easily. Under the hood, the K4 GT line is powered by a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower and 132 lb-ft of torque, paired with a continuously variable transmission CVT driving the front wheels. Compared to the GT line turbo's 190 horsepower 1.6-liter engine, this setup is less exciting, taking 9.1 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour, slower than the Corolla FX's 8.1 seconds or the Turbo K4's 7.1 seconds. Auto Specs notes that the CVT is smooth and unobtrusive, with simulated gear ratios that avoid the typical droning, but acceleration feels sluggish, especially for highway merging. The GT line's multilink rear suspension, an upgrade over the base torsion beam setup, offers sharper handling and a composed ride, soaking up bumps while maintaining control on twisty roads. Fuel economy is a strong point, with EPA ratings of 30 miles per gallon city and 40 miles per gallon highway, competitive with the Corolla's 3139 mpg, though the K4's 3,141-pound weight, 256 pounds heavier than the Forte, impacts performance. Technology and safety are highlights, with standard features like automatic emergency braking, lane keep assist, and road sign recognition. The GT line adds blind spot monitoring and optional features like a surround view camera and adaptive cruise control with Kia's Highway Driving Assist 2 for semi-autonomous driving. The infotainment is intuitive, with physical buttons for climate and audio controls, though the climate touchscreen can be obscured by the steering wheel. Auto Specs values the K4's 7-year, unlimited kilometer warranty and 8 airbags, though crash test ratings are pending. Drawbacks include the lack of a manual transmission option and the absence of a hybrid model, unlike the related Hyundai Elantra. Compared to rivals, the K4 GT line offers superior value and style, but trails the Honda Civic in driving dynamics and refinement. priced from $26,345. The K4 GT line undercuts the Civic C and Corolla XSE while offering more standard features. A fully loaded GT line with the premium package hits $28,345. Still a bargain compared to the Civic Hybrid's $33,300. With a hatchback variant arriving in 2026, the K4 lineup will grow even more versatile. Spec sees the K4 GT line as a compelling choice for buyers seeking style, space, and tech on a budget, though its sluggish acceleration and ergonomic quirks keep it from topping the segment. For those prioritizing value over sportiness, this sedan delivers a lot of bang for the buck. That's the 2025 Kia K4 GT line. With its bold design, roomy cabin, and tech-packed interior, it's a ST.